Lopez Community Center, who've been great partners in this, our Parks and Fair Director and all of his staff, Jamie Stevens and his legacy that he's contributed to this, and all of you for coming today. So thank you very much.
This skate park is about being here, and it just came out so nicely. We deem this park open now and forevermore.
Thank you, President!
Anya, it's 756037.
037.
Is that you? All right, nice. You want this one?
Woo! Okay, it's the numbers 756061.
067.
You might have to throw into that board, buddy.